subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y77, and it is completely different from the Vivo Y77 5G smartphone launched in Malaysia. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y77 features a 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a large 91.13% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 930 chipset, paired with IMG BXM GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6, 8 or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y77 supports a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 based on Origin OS Ocean Skin on top, and it is backed by a large 4500 mAh battery that supports 80W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.17 by 75.8 by 8.59mm, and it weighs around 194 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Vivo Y77 has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan. Whereas 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now offer pre-orders in the country in Crystal Black, Crystal Pink, and Crystal Blue color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from July 11th. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y77 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.